Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the lesson number 9 of my PHP Basic course. Okay, today I'm going to talk more about database. Okay, so how we can download some software to manage the database, how we can create some database and also table plus a lot of fields. Okay, let me switch to Windows. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is actually to download we call it MySQL client. Okay, this is a client software. Alright, so this is we call it Heady SQL. We use it over the years. It's very good client and it has all the features that we need. Okay, so we head on to HeadySQL.com. Okay, alright, so this is the homepage of the software and you can straight go to download the installer. Okay, and you can download it from here. It will pop up the save as dialog automatically. Actually, I have already downloaded one copy over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. Double click it. Yes. Agree. Set. Okay, next. Install. It's very easy to install. Okay, finish. Okay, let's launch the software. Okay, I have already created one connection. Let's us do from beginning. Okay, you have to create a new connection. Try to connect to our localhost server. Okay, by default, all MySQL installation comes without password. Okay, so you are encouraged to change it, but for our development server, I will leave it blank. Okay, blank. Can open it. Okay, so this is the database that we have so far, and all these are actually standard system database, so don't touch it. Okay, only this one test is just a testing table database. Alright, so we want to create a new one. Okay, create new database. Okay, so we put it a name, maybe PHP Basic, something like that. Okay, so it's created a database, a new database. So we want to create some table under the database. So right click, create new table. Okay, table. Of course, there is a lot of syntax and also MySQL syntax that you have to go through, right? So I don't want to waste a lot of time over here. You can head on to MySQL.com for more details on how to use, select statement, insert statement, a lot of the things that you have to go through. So we are not going to go through it, but we are going to teach a little bit basic SQL statement over here. After all, the course is called basic, right? So we will not go into details on each of the SQL statement. You can come here and read. Okay, so table, maybe we put it a student. Okay, so we add a new field, maybe a record ID. Alright, so it's maybe 100 unassigned, don't allow. So this is going to be an auto increment. Okay, and we make it a primary index. Okay, save it. And of course, we want to add more field, maybe student number. Okay, variable character. Put it at 50. Okay, no problem, but don't allow it. Okay, save it first. and you try to make it as a unique key. Okay, this is a unique key. Right, save it, and then we add another field, name, also same, variable character. Okay, maybe a little bit longer. Okay, don't allow now, save it, and maybe this one, class, for example, variable character. Okay, same thing, don't make it a noun. Okay, save it. Okay, good for now. Okay, all right, so we go back to PHP now. Okay, now we have a table, we have a database, we have a table. So we are trying to manipulate this database and table. Okay, so in PHP we have to assign, we have to connect to the MySQL server. Okay, let's put a host, a username. So these are the parameter that is needed. Okay, same as when we try to create a connection just now in SQL. So password will be empty, right? So the DB, so this one will be PHP Basic, right? So how are we going to connect? So we need to create a new class. This is a new class that we are going to use. Okay, we pass in the host name, the username, the password, and also the database. Okay, the database. Okay, so we compare, is there any problem or not? So it's called connect error. If connection error, then we die. This is a standard PHP function. Okay, so we put some meaningful error message, and we concatenate with the connection error. So this arrow is actually referring to a class. Okay, this is connection, and MySQL I is actually a class of PHP, right? So we are trying to create a new class. This is a new function. We are trying to create a new class for this class. Okay, so and assign the result to this con. This is a variable. Okay, so we are going to use this con, and this is actually a variable. This is a variable. So con inside this con class. Okay, so we check that whether it's contain any error or not. So if yes, then just die it. Otherwise, just print connection successful. Sorry. Okay. All right. So let's see whether it's successful or not. Okay, we go back to this. Oh, it's already. Okay. So this will print connection successful. So it's going to be good lah, right? So why not we make some small error and see what happens. Okay, let's see, we type a wrong database here. Okay, so we try to refresh it, and this already come out. All right, unknown database, PHP Basic, and there is no search database in this so-called PHP Basic, right? So you need to be very sure that everything is correct. Okay, all right, this is how we connect to database connection. And this lecture I will stop here. Next lecture I will go through with you how you can create how to manipulate the whole database, and I will make a project out of it. Okay, I will try to make a CRUD, create, retrieve, update, and delete. how to do all this operation under using the PHP, and what are the SQL statement is involved. Okay, so I will show you how you do the whole process, and I will use a lot of HTML, JavaScript, and also jQuery. So I will teach you all the things that you need to go through each of them, so that you know how to do it. All right. Okay, today lesson until here. All right. So I hope to see you again. Okay, if you like the videos, please smash the like button and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. All right. Okay, remember to turn on the notification. Okay, see you again. Bye bye. Thank you.